We have some very important articles to be talking about. First one is XRP price analysis as SEC set for last minute appeal in Ripple case. What's next for investors? So the SEC have to basically come up with something, I believe, otherwise they're going to look like absolute clowns. And no doubt they're going to leave it to the 11th hour. And the other one is going to be the Ripple CTO, the Chief Technical Officer, breaking down XRP valuation linked to payments. And the last one is a mysterious one. So the 30 million XRP mystery stuns a major Korean exchange up bit. So Korea is back in it, Japan's in, and they're the most advanced countries in the world in the technology era. So XRP price analysis as SEC set for the last minute appeal in Ripple case. What's next for investors? Ripple is on the horizon. It is going to be taking over Bitcoin, I believe. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, enjoy the video. Feel free to subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button so you don't miss out on the latest in the XRP news. So the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission has investors on the edge as the SEC contemplates a last-minute appeal, keeping the XRP price under pressure. So former SEC attorney Mark Fagel and James Farrell anticipated that the regulator will appeal the ruling in Ripple's favor. So that's very good news for us, as not doing so could harm its authority. So when you bring something up, you got to back yourself. So that's the SEC, and if you watch them in the courtroom, they're very nervous. They don't really know what they're talking about, and they are trying to put together paperwork to make them look somewhat professional, in my opinion. So with the appeal deadline fast approaching, the XRP community is left speculating on the outcome. So attorney Fred Rispoli suggests that the SEC may wait until the final moment, which is the 11th hour, to announce its decision, adding to the growing tension. Ripple executives, including CEO Brad Garlinghouse, have denied any intent to settle, and a court stay order is holding the $125 million penalty in limbo. So sucked into the SEC. So tomorrow in 2 weeks is the deadline for the SEC. If they wanted to appeal, they would have done it weeks ago. Filing it out of an appeal document takes 15 minutes. So let's see what
at all, but staying true to the law, since there was a technical violation of the failure to register those historical sales, she did impose a fine of $125 million. That's something that we will pay with cash off of our balance sheet, and we look forward to moving forward. And hopefully this turns a page not only for Ripple, but also hopefully finally this administration will turn the page on their war on crypto and hit the reset button.
That's right, the reset button and 125 million. They're looking at moving forward, but they want absolutely clarity before they do anything. They want the SEC to talk, in which they're not doing so. And like I said, 15 minutes takes the time to do the document, in which they haven't done. It's taken 3 weeks, and that's absolutely crazy. So it's a very good sign for XRP and Ripple. And there's a good platform out there. It's called BitUnex. It's a platform I trade on every day. It's 5,500, depending on what you trade, and you got 1.3 million global users. One of the best times to be trading at the moment, because it's at the trough. It's at a very, very low price, and the price won't stay there for a very, very long time at all. If not, I reckon, yeah, you're crazy not to jump on. 200 million traded every 24 hours. The link's below the video if you are interested. Very easy to sign up. And so XRP is trading at 59.1 cents, reflecting a 1.05% increase over the last 24 hours. The cryptocurrency holds above the critical 50-day exponential moving average, which is the EMA, of 58.15 cents, indicating the current uptrend remains intact. So it's very, very stable. So it's a smooth ocean at the moment, and this will be coming. When the swell comes, and it is going to absolutely go ballistic. Support levels. Immediate support is located at the 57.65 mark, as you can see on the graph, aligned with the upward trend line. Should this level break, XRP may target further downside with the key support at 56.26 and 54.54. Resistant levels on the upside. XRP faces resistance 61.37 followed by 63.03 and 64.83. But like I said, it's not too much of a concern. How I look at it is I'd much rather buy in and not miss out on that $1 million opportunity than not buy and lose. So a breakout above these levels could sustain the bullish trend, pushing XRP towards a higher price target, and which will happen. It's just a matter of time before the SEC decide to do what they're going to do on their 11th hour. So the relative strength index stands at 54, signaling neutral market conditions, while the RSI suggests room for both upward and downward movements. A decline below 50 could indicate a potential bearish correction. Ripple's legal outlook and impact on XRP price. The potential SEC appeal has introduced uncertainty into the XRP's otherwise bullish outlook. A favorable ruling could propel the token, in which is my prediction, while a drawn-out legal battle may result in increased volatility. Investors should also monitor macroeconomics factors such as regulatory shifts and market sentiments towards cryptocurrency. So the key takeaways is XRP's 50-day EMA at 58.15 offers a robust support, maintaining the bullish trend. Immediately, resistance lies at 61.37 with upside potential towards 64.83. If broken, RSI at 54.44 show a neutral stance, leaving the room for market movement in either direction. With the SEC decision looming, investors should prepare for potential volatility in XRP's price depending on the outcomes of the legal proceeding. And in my opinion, I really don't think anything's going to happen. If they had any case on Ripple and XRP, they would have already acted already. So Ripple CTO breaks down XRP valuation linked to payments. So the CTO is obviously the chief technical officer, and that's that guy there, David Schwartz, a very, very smart guy. In recent tweets, Ripple's chief technology officer shared insights on cryptocurrency use and payments, including XRP, shedding lights on its valuation in relation to payments. So here we go. That won't make your payments any cheaper. It'll just mean that buying and selling the same value of XRP moves the market against you more, making payments even more expensive. So he's 100% right there. The guy knows what he's talking about. In response to an ex-user, Schwartz remarked that virtually no crypto is being used for payments. XRP, on the other hand, has wide availability, and it is among the top 5 in terms of market capitalization, and has low fees and fast confirmations. The Ripple CTO, on the other hand, believes it is not being utilized more for payments for the same reasons that other cryptocurrencies are not being used for payments. So it's very, very clear. As reported, Schwartz indicated that lower prices for XRP could make payments more expensive. So if XRP costs $1, they'd need 1 million XRP, which would cost $1 million. If XRP cost $1 million, they'd need 1 XRP, which would again cost 1 million, he explained. So very basic mathematics, and if we don't understand that, we're in trouble. In another comment, the Ripple CTO clarified what he meant, saying that won't make your payments any cheaper. It'll just mean the buying and selling the same value of XRP moves the market against you more, making payments even more expensive. Schwartz went on to highlight obstacles to adopting stablecoins for payments. There are essentially 2 types of people who require payments: those who are well connected to existing financial systems and those who are not, implying that stablecoins will face similar challenges as cryptocurrencies to gain traction in payments. So Ripple CTO debunks XRP price manipulation. So he says, regarding the XRP price, this Ripple CTO responded to claims of price manipulation by saying, "We've looked for evidence that changes in our activity effect for the price of XRP, weren't able to find any. Even over 8 years, XRP price and XLM price track absurdly well." So it's 100% in the financial graphs. You can look at it yourself. It's very clear to work out. The big news is 30 million XRP mystery stuns major Korean exchange Upbit. If Japan's not already on, Korea is joining in right now. So XRP, once again, the focus on the market, most doubtly the Bitcoin's lying on the bench, losing attention. So as it becomes known, thanks to a report from Whale, tens of millions of XRP left the major crypto exchange of Korea, Upbit, to an unknown destination. In particular, 30 million XRP worth about 17.4 million left RDXJNB, which belongs to Upbit, to the wallet of R4186. So very cryptic, very good on them to stay anonymous and, they've already done their research and they don't want people to follow them. They're being very clever. There is no specific information about this wallet, as according to Bithomp, explorer of XRP Ledger, it does not belong to any known holder. It was activated in June this year with 11 XRP. After receiving 30 million tokens, the recipient started distributing this colossal amount to other unknown wallets, and as a result, there were only 1.169 million XRP on R4186. So notably, XRP has seen increased trading activity in the last 24 hours and is currently the 6th most traded asset on Upbit. The trading volume of the popular cryptocurrency in pairs against KRW totals over 106.6 million over the past day. This is almost double the trading volume of Bitcoin there. So that's a substantial amount compared to Bitcoin. So in the common sense of crypto market participants, withdrawals from exchanges are seen as a positive sign in the favor of bullish traders. Such moves are seen as a cold storage withdrawal by a major player who has purchased a large amount of cryptocurrency on a centralized platform. In addition, the recent surge in trading volume may reflect growing interest from retail investors, further fueling the speculation about XRP's future trajectory, increased liquidity, and it can attract more participants to the market, potentially creating a positive feedback loop that drives prices higher. The crypto community better be watching closely to see how these movements impact XRP's performance in the coming days, and it's obvious it is going to absolutely skyrocket. It's only a matter of time. The SEC only have so much time to appeal, and when they appeal or whatever they decide to do, it's not going to have much of an impact on the price. That's my opinion. And obviously, we're going to be going to $1 first, and then $100 and $1,000. There's no real limit in this XRP. Ripple was designed to trade at 10,000, so that's always on the cards as well. Almost also. Do your own research. Make sure you're doing all the article research. It's very, very important. That's all from Crypto Spartacus. Over and out.